everyone, so this is my first designer unboxing, and I've been quarantined for so long and the store is finally opened yesterday, and I just decided to buy a few belts. So I've had the Gucci one, you know, the Gucci belt, the classic iconic Gucci belt for a few months now. It's very trendy and it's definitely for millennials, I would say. And yeah, like I've had this for a long time and I feel like I've been wearing the same thing over and over again. So I decided to go to Louis Vuitton and Hermès and just, you know, buy some belts. And it took me a lot of research for sure to get to, you know, finally make a decision. And yeah, let's have a look at what I have. So let's unbox it together. First and foremost, I always buy from Europe, and the reason why is you get this tax refund and it's actually gonna save you a lot of money. So when you go to the airport, you just show this form, show the product, and they will stamp it and you can get the cash, or it can also go to your debit card. So yeah, this one is the Louis Vuitton monogram. This is not even a monogram. I think this is I forget what it's called. I'm so sorry. So this one is the Louis Vuitton Initial, and I really love this one. So it retails for $655 in the US, but here I got it for 530 euro, which is probably around like $578, if I'm right. Yeah, so it's $578 and I think I saved like more or less like 80 to 100 bucks, because you know, like in the US there's tax they have to pay depending on where you live, what state you live. So yeah, I'm super happy that I got this. Let's see what else is in the box. Well, I also grabbed this magazine, and because I'm in Austria, it is in German, and it just looked really cool. And yeah, thank you, Louis Vuitton. Of course, you get this with your receipt, and also the business card of the sales assistant. And what else we have? Yeah, oh, they gave us a gift because they're nice. Let's see what they got for us. Oh my god. Wow, they gave me like a small perfume bottle. Wow, wow. This is awesome. I think this is like 10 ml. It's the Sur La Route. Wow, awesome, thank you. This is great. Right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I don't know what this letter is, so I'm just gonna untie the ribbon. Always love these things. Like, these are just super cool. Like, I would repurpose it for a bracelet, honestly. Whatever. I don't know what this is too. It's like a letter. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh no. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Just see what it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Wow. Well, they gave me like a postcard with like a letter in German, and they said like from LB Team Salzburg. I still have to like translate this, of course. But it's so cute, isn't it? Like, I could frame this. Wow. Love it. Cool. Alright. Now to like the unboxing part. Alright, so this is the belt that I got only because, and I was in the store for like an hour and a half and it was empty. I was literally the only customer there, and I think I had to look at like 5 belts. So of course it comes with a dust bag, and you know, make sure to keep your things safe. So I got this one. It's a little more discreet. It's reversible. It's 40 millimeter. The buckle, I love the buckle so much. And the black part, like with kind of like just a discreet monogram situation we have over here. I'm not very good with the English language, but I just like it because I definitely needed like you know, like a black and brown belt. So the brown on the opposite side is actually the perfect one for me, I would say. You could use it for like whatever you want. You can go to the mall, you know, like just really whatever you want. And I just needed more variety in my collection. And since this is technically like my second, you know, like designer belt, and the first one is of course like the Gucci one, it's black and like the buckle is gold. So I decided to go for like a silver buckle, and this is more like scratch resistant for sure. Like I take care of myself really well, make sure I don't touch anything, or I don't slam it into anything. So, you know, keep it in your dust bag as much as possible, like if you're not using it. And yeah, I got the silver. It's like a cooler buckle, like it's not the shiny metallic one. And I don't know if you see it, but like the monogram is here as well, and it's black. And yeah, I'll wear it in a few, but let's go ahead and unbox the other one. I guess that's pretty much it. So let me put it in my dust bag, you know, keep it there. Right, let's move on to the other one. Ooh, this is very special for me because I've always dreamed of having like an Hermès belt, and it is so expensive. But then again, like I have just been quarantined and I literally have not been spending anything. So just some groceries, I guess. So we'll unbox this. Alright, here we go. So we did get some goodies from them. Of course, again, it's in German. I don't know, they're just like magazines and like whatever that they have, and they have like really cool photos. Yo, like the photo shoots are real in this one. Like they are so cool. Oh, they have like, what the heck? Okay, whatever. Let's not dive too much into the magazines because they're just freebies. And so I got the Constance belt, and basically I think this retails for $995, but I got it for 740 euros, which is probably around like $807. So I pretty much saved like $200, and then I get a tax return on top of that, and I think I get like 90 euros back. So it's like 650 euros, I guess. So that's cool. They gave me like a sample of one of their perfumes, and I'm super happy about that. Got the receipt in the paper bag as well. Just look at how they do that. Like, if you look at the box and like, it's literally a gift, and this is my quarantine gift to myself. The logo is there, the name of the brand is there, and then it says 2020. I love it. I love this ribbon, y'all. Alright, so... Alright, well, this is gonna be another bracelet, like maybe a few of them. I don't have long hair. Also, I desperately need a haircut. I really do. But the hairdressers aren't open yet. So this is the box. I got the 38mm Constance, as I said. It's reversible as well. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, there it is. This is the dust bag. It's so cool. So, I love it. So this is the, I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. This is the something. Is this the strap? Probably. Yeah, so this is the strap of the belt. The belt strap, I got the classic black, of course, and the Hermès orange. And I love it. Like, I can wear it for basically any, you know, like I can wear it in a formal event. I can wear it when I'm just like chilling, you know, going to the grocery store. I'm laughing at myself. Alright, so the dust bag is really cool, and the buckle itself has its own dust bag, so they really, really just take care of everything, make sure that you do. And so, so I guess you'll know that your your belt is authentic because the strap and the buckle has, you know, like a made in, and it has like the code. So I got the kind of like Permabrass, like matte goldish. I don't even know how to describe the color, but obviously like the plastic is still in place, and it's an H-shaped plastic, so I'm gonna remove that. Oh, that feeling is so good. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it here. So this is what it is, and I am in love with this for sure. So let's go ahead and like try on like the black side first. That's what it looks like. I guess I'll try on everything. You know, I'll try the three of them together with different outfits, just so you guys can see like where it would be suitable for, you know, where's the best part to wear. Oh, also there's like an Hermès name here on the buckle. That's cool. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm sorry we don't really have a lot of space in this apartment, but this is the Gucci belt, and I said I've had it for a long time, and you know, the leather is very thick and it's very durable. Don't worry about the holes too much. Like, of course you're gonna, you know, it's typical wear and tear, and a lot of people like actually complain about it online from the reviews that I read and like the videos that I watched, but that's completely normal. Like, don't worry about it. So, you know, it's very stylish, like you can wear it for everything. Definitely love it. And yeah, let's try the next one. Alright y'all, so this is the orange side of the Constance, and it looks really cool and funky, you know, like if you're just wearing something plain. Also, I'm like noticing that I have gained a lot of weight in quarantine, but like whatever, I'll just go to the gym when it opens. So back to the topic. So this is what it looks like up close. It looks really funky, and like it's just very casual for sure. I would wear it like when I'm just wearing something plain, of course, and it's something not too colorful. So this is what it is. So I'm gonna go flip it and reverse it. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like reversed with the black side of the belt on. And yeah, like I love it. Like I'm gonna wear this, you know, in something formal. There's like a formal event or whatever. Like I'll definitely wear this. This is what it looks like up close. Take the jacket off. Great, that's what it looks like. It looks really chic and very elegant. And to those people who say that luxury designer belts or anything luxury is tacky, whatever. Like, this is what we like. This is what we're gonna buy, and it's an investment too. Like, you can wear this basically forever with the quality and everything. And as I said, like, this is very, very chic, and the leather quality is just bueno. Alright, so this is the Initial Louis Vuitton belt with the brown side of the strap, and this is what it looks like up close. I just love my shirt. It's the corgi shirt, y'all. Is it a corgi? Or just a bunch of, I don't know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Definitely something casual. Also, you can wear it formal, wherever you want. But all I can say really is, like, I'm really fat. Alright, so I flipped it and reversed it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so it's very discreet. So you probably can't even see, like, the, you know, the monogram is right there. You know, it's visible from afar. But yeah, like, it's discreet. Like, you can wear it anytime you want, wherever you want. This is more like a casual look for me, I'd say. And I also noticed that all of my shirts are wrinkly. Alright guys, so I feel like I definitely made like a mess here, and I'm gonna clean all that up, but just a few last things that I would like to say. So overall, I would say, like, this has the best quality. Like, it's like at Hermès, like, of course it's known for just the great quality, and it's very luxurious for sure, and I'm very happy that I got this belt. The buckle quality of this one it's definitely like on the heavier side, and I would say like this is just the best out of all of them, and just the classiest for sure. The Gucci belt, I don't even know where it is. It's here somewhere. I don't know, I can't find it, but it's really you know, like it's very millennial, you know, and it's definitely super trendy right now, and I don't think it'll go out of trend anytime soon, but it's definitely like a really nice belt. I would say it's a good one. On the other hand, like, I like that this is reversible for sure, but out of all of them, like, this has like the thinnest, I guess, and it's definitely the lightest as well. I'm pretty sure, like, this might not be leather, I'm just not sure. But yeah, like, it looks cool, looks cute, but let's see if it stands the test of time, you know? I'm definitely gonna be, like, I'm a belt person, so I'll be wearing, like, all of these, not on a daily basis, I don't go out every day. But definitely on my watch list is a reversible Salvatore Ferragamo belt, which I'm really looking forward to have. Maybe a Fendi, not too sure about that, but let's see. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to say, like, show you guys really. So I really hope that you enjoyed my first designer review, designer item review, designer items review. And yeah, cool beans. Please subscribe. Bye.